Thank you for joining me for this May 2026 escrow brief. Here is a scenario that comes up quite often. Here's the request. Even though I am the only seller, the property used to belong to my mother, and there is an agreement that the proceeds from the sale are to be divided equally between 4 brothers and sisters. Please issue checks to them directly as per my agreement with them. Here is our answer. We regret to advise you that our company policy and our regulator's requirement is that all proceeds in a transaction are to be issued only to the person or entity who shows as the owner of the property. We are unable to accede to your request. We will issue the proceeds check or the wire to you. And after you receive it, then you can disperse it to your siblings outside of our escrow. Now, this is a common request, and each time we have to clarify the process under escrow law. Again, whoever has ownership gets the proceeds. There can be income tax consequences, which we will not take responsibility for if issued incorrectly. This is particularly important to remember when the property is in a trust. We do not issue separate checks to the beneficiaries of the trust. If the original trustees are still alive, we issue it to them. If the original trustees have passed away, we issue it to the actual name of the trust. The same thing goes for the corporate entity. We will issue the proceeds to the LLC itself, not to the members. In addition, we remind our clients that at closing, a 1099 reflecting the seller's information will be issued to the IRS for year-end income tax purposes. So it is doubly important that clients refer to their tax accountant for counsel early in the transaction or even before the transaction comes into escrow. Thank you for watching. Be sure to go to my juliana2.com site for my full May 2026 escrow brief.